children. Today we are going to see about chapter 4 Formatting in MS Word 2007. Introduction. A document usually comprises primarily of text. Laying out text to make it appear organized and attractive is called formatting. Word 2007 provides many formatting features like applying fonts, font styles and sizes, paragraphing and alignment of a graph of text, character and line spacing, changing caps, bulleting and numbering, etc. Text formatting. Applying fonts. Font is writing style or technique. MS Word 2007 contains a collection of fonts, some of which are used for corporate, decorative and designing purpose. These are used to stylish and writing. By applying fonts, one can make document look more attractive. To change the font type, click on the font name drop-down arrow, which is found in the Home tab of the ribbon. You will find a list of fonts which can be viewed by scrolling, and you can choose the font and then start keying in the text. Font sizes. The sizes of text matters considerably. While formatting, the text must be large enough to appear legible. Usually font size is measured in points. The minimum size provided is 8 and the maximum size is 72. The font size can be changed by clicking on the font size drop-down arrow and choosing the appropriate size. Font size. Font styles are predefined formatting options that are available in MS Word 2007. The three different styles available are bold, italic and underline. Bold. These styles make the text appear darker than normal. Bold shortcut key Ctrl+B. Italic. These styles makes the text appear slanted. Italic shortcut key Ctrl+I. Underline. This styles underlines the text. Underline shortcut key Ctrl+U. The above styles can be applied either by selecting the text and then choosing the appropriate styles included in the font group of the Home tab. In the underline option, the text can be underlined in different styles. The underlining styles can be selected from the drop-down list box. The text can also be underlined using different colors by choosing the underline color option. Font color. The text can be made colorful by choosing the font color button included in the font group of the Home tab. To change the color of the text, first highlight the text and then select the color from the font color drop-down list. Aligning text. Aligning text makes the overall document look better. By aligning text, we get better readability. Proper arrangement of text or paragraph in a document is called alignment. There are 4 buttons available for aligning the text: left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, justify. Left alignment. By selecting this button, the text in the document is aligned with the left margin of the page. Center alignment. This button centers the text within the page margin. Right alignment. By selecting this button, the text in the document is aligned with the right margin of the page. Justify. This option aligns the text evenly along both the left and right margins. The option creates an even edge on both the side by adding extra space between the words. The keyboard shortcut for alignment: left Ctrl+L, center alignment shortcut key Ctrl+E, right alignment shortcut key Ctrl+R, justify alignment shortcut key Ctrl+J. Page formatting. Page border. The page border and border color can be set to make the document look colorful. A page border can be drawn to all sides of each page in a document. Two pages in a section, to the first page only or to all pages except the first page. To apply a page border or color, follow the steps given. Step 1. Click the page layout tab of the ribbon. Step 2. From the page background group, click on page borders. Step 3. Click on page border and select the styles of the border. Step 4. Select the color for the outline of the border and click OK button. Watermark. Watermarks are text or pictures that appears behind the document text. MS Word provides many ready-made watermarks. You can also create your own customized watermark. To add a text watermark, follow the steps given. Step 1. Click on the page layout tab of the ribbon. From the page background group, click watermark. Click custom watermark and then click on text watermark. Now type the text you want to appear as watermark. Page color. Each page must have a soothing background to please the eye. Background can be applied by clicking page layout tab of the ribbon and selecting the page border or page color or watermark. Background color can be added to the page by following the steps given. Step 1. Click on the page layout tab of the ribbon. Step 2. From the page background group, click page color. Step 3. Select the color. Under then colors or standard color. Now the page given filled with the